Alright guys, you're probably wondering why I'm so tired. Well, in today's video, the new update came out. The new broccoli update. We have broccolis and they updated mine and so. But let's go check it out. Wait, you thought I was done? Subscribe. And I'll let you in my Discord. Okay, no. The Discord is not done. It's not done because I'm too lazy to work on it. But yeah, okay, now we're gonna go check it out. Subscribe. We check out the broccoli and stuff. Look at this. The new skin. It's a goat, as you see. And it's pretty drippy, bro. Because I like my cheese drippy, bro. Alright, we're finally connected. God dang, he's big.
No, I shrunk
Down.
Oh! I wish I could have gotten a more outfit.
Oh.
I got two tiny.
The lobby was too packed and I was afraid people were gonna do stuff and yeah, so. Plus, I don't want to hear that much yapping. So. Oh my gosh, what is this? This thing confuses me all the time. Oh! Sweater is a sweater. Alright, so. Alright, this is insane. This is insane. I covered my reaction because I actually sweared a bunch once I saw this. But I'm pretty sure I was told you have to be careful on these. See, that's what I meant. Alright, we're just gonna. No! Oh, I'm so lucky I have a grappler. Alright, what is this? Ah, I'm stuck. Oh my god, it's lagging. It's the solar system. It's Earth. There's a bunch of broccolis. And yo. That's home. It's home. It's right there, that is sewers. And I see the tree. Oh my god. That's so cool. I don't see mines though, but it's good enough. So these are normal broccolis. I don't need those. But we have the one and only pink broccolis. Alright, before we get to that, I'm gonna go mine this. And by the way, guys, the magma thing, the bunker, is gonna change. Yes! Another one. Let's see if there's any on the bottom. Nope. Alright, now. Yeah, I'm gonna drop my pickaxe over here. Alright, let's collect all of these. put all of them on this. I'm gonna eat a couple of broccolis. I'm gonna eat actually basically all of them. Eat! 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 But I gotta get out of here. It was so quick. Alright. For a second here, we're gonna eat these in public lobbies, but we're just gonna try them out right here. So here, let's try 3. Let's try 3, yeah. Alright. 3. I'm gonna put my backpack aside. Oh god. Oh, I'm almost pixel! The keys are so big! What? I want to become even smaller in the public. Oh my gosh! Everything's so big, that was like a hole inside a giant fall. Can I enter my password? Let's see how big the cracker... Oh my god! The cracker's the size of me! Holy crap! I'm so tiny! Vroom, vroom, vroom. Ooh! Woo! You can jump pretty high. Let's see how big... Oh. Well... Let's also grab our grappler so we can move around when we're tiny.
Any broccoli.
You. Am I tiny?
You're so tiny.
Oh, goodbye to those ones.
Thing is, I still have OG bag.
No! Lucio. Help! Oh my god! I'm so tiny! Yo, pumpkin dude, look at me!
Big Ronson with Big Johnson.
Free grappler. Oh. Psych, I like.
Hey, orange.
Oh my god! I'm so
already have one
tiny!
of those a bunch of times.
I'm so
have those a
tiny!
bunch of times.
Guys! Look how tiny I am! Bro!
You don't gotta be so.
We're tiny too! Look, we're the same. Oh, you're smaller! He's literally an ant! He's pixel size!
Look how small he is! Wait, what if I eat it?
Oh. Where'd he go?
Right here, over here!
Well, aren't you so cute?
So far.
Park it over.
Oh my god, he's doing it!
You got this!
No.
You got this!
I'll help you! This was legit Thanos.
Come on. You're almost there.
Come on! Come on! Yo,
Oh!
legit Thanos.
Comment W Warrior right there.
No! Help!
I'm stuck!
Aw,
stuck.
Y'all know you can get under this.
Someone give me a mega broccoli. Wait. Well, anyways, if you subscribe and you have the most respectful comment, I will give you either a full bag of pumpkins, full bag of pumpkin pie, or a haunted house key for free. But you must comment a very respectful comment. Maybe comment W Warrior. And yeah. Well, anyways, that's it for today. I will post more. Goodbye.